Hey, it's the Master Stylist, and I'm back again with another video. I am doing a virgin relaxer. I did uh, use, Affirm's No Lie Relaxer. I used the sensitive scalp, and I did put it at resistant strength. She hasn't had a relaxer in a very long time. She said she had been trying to go natural, but it was just too much work. So here we are. I did a rough cut after I relaxed her hair, condition it, and all of that. So now I'm just blow drying it, straighten it out some more because y'all know I do not like to do, especially long hair. I don't like it bone straight because it just takes the elasticity out of the hair, and it's no need when you already adding heat and everything. So I'm just making sure her hair is blowed out really, really well. And then I'm going in and finishing up the cut. I slowed the video down for this part, but just making sure that I'm taking my time and cutting it right so that when her curls are gone, when she wraps it and combs it down, it still looks the same way it looks when she leaves the salon. I'm going in with Main Life Studio Main Glaze. That is a heat protectant and it's going to add some extra shine to the hair. I always use that before I put any direct heat on the hair, such as flat iron or curling or anything like that. You want to make sure you emulsify it in your hands and massage it in the hair really well. Now I am spraying the hair down with holding spray. Y'all know I love my Kimra dry oil. Some stylists use holding spray. I actually like the dry oil. It's my favorite, and that's what I'm using. The flat iron I'm using today is a EAP 1-inch flat iron, and it's a ceramic flat iron. Me twice. Just doing the banana peel method or waterfall, whatever you want to call it, and just really going through the hair and just flat ironing it in waterfalls and leaving it. We're gonna spray that down with some oil sheen. I'm using Nairobi, and we're just gonna comb those curls out. Cause you can see the hair is bouncy. It looks stiff when the banana peels are in it, but it is absolutely not. It's very shiny, and this will look so good, especially when she wrap her hair and comb it down the next day. I know that it looks so good. Okay, so this is the finished look. She is nice and shiny. You guys make sure you hit that thumbs up, and if you like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.